Alphabetizing allows you to quickly organize, access, and reference data. Highlight the text you want to alphabetize. In the Data tab, find the A to Z or Z to A sort. Highlight the text you want to alphabetize. In the Data tab, click the Sort option. A sort box will appear. If labeled columns, select My Data has headers. Choose the column under Sort By. Select Descending to sort the chosen column in descending order. Click OK. Highlight the text you want to alphabetize. Click the Sort option. Select Ascending to sort the chosen column in ascending order. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.